Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by turning the jersey inside out and placing it on a flat, clean surface so you can work precisely. Heat the old number with a hair dryer or heat gun set to about 150-180 degrees F to soften the adhesive. Move the heat slowly and evenly. Once warm, lift a corner and peel slowly while supporting the fabric. Make sure to use dental floss behind the number to saw through stubborn adhesive. If residue remains, stop and prep the cleaning step next. Once the old material is gone, you clean remaining adhesive using isopropyl alcohol or a dedicated adhesive remover, testing a hidden seam first to avoid damage. After removing residue, rinse the area with mild soap and water, then air dry, or use a cool iron with a cloth barrier to flatten the fabric. Next, align your new number. Position a stencil or tape guide and mark center and edge points so placement is perfect. Make sure to double-check alignment before applying. Now you apply the new number using a heat press or household iron set to the fabric's recommended temperature. Press firmly for 10-15 seconds per section, using a Teflon sheet to protect the number. Once pressed, follow the manufacturer's peel instruction. Peel warm or cold as directed, and then repress briefly to secure edges. If edges lift later, reheat and press, add a thin adhesive sheet or stitch the border for durability. If any printing distorts, stop and consult the vinyl supplier for specific fit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.